Hi guys, in the previous lecture we have reached at this line and we have created this last it widget and this meta widget, and now we are gonna create this thing. And here you see that this heading have the low font size than these headings, last it and archives. So now here I'm gonna create it. Here it is, and now here we have to copy this one, and here it is, copy this, and here is, paste it here, and here we have to write recent post, and then here is the UL, and now we have to just change the text. Here I'm gonna remove these ones and copy this text. Here it is, increase it and then save it. So now this widget is created. Here is, remove this thing, and now let's check it. Here it is created, and now the next thing is this select button. So now what we need to do, we just need to write a select open and closing tag and then give the options and their values. So now let's start. Here is after the closing tag of the widget. Here I'm gonna place it, this thing, and here is copy this thing. We need this code. And here is this and this, so all the things are present. And here is archive, here archives, and then after this, here in between this, we have to place select, and here is the select, and here we have to place option, and here is option, and here we have to place first value in the option is select month. Here you see that this is a value but it have not any value when we select it, so it will not give any value, and it is selected at the first, then we will give this February, March and all the things. And here is, first thing is select month, and you can write this thing at any place but you have to provide the selected attributes. So now it is selected, and here is, I'm gonna increase it, and here write March 2016, and here is December, here is 2017, and here is February, here is February 2019, and here we have to give the value, what is the value of this. Here is a Feb, and here I'm gonna give, when we select this value, so its value is like this deck, and here is March, here is March, and this the first value have not any value. And now let's check it. Here it is created, but we have to give it the styles, so that's why we have to give another class to its widget. Here is widget archive, here is archive, and here I'm gonna copy it and then paste it here. Here is dot before it, and here is this. And one thing that I have left here is this heading have the less font size, and here you see that, so we have to give it the H5 heading. Here I'm gonna check it. Here is the H5, and now let's check it. Here it is. So now it have the less font size, and if you want to give more less font size, then you have to give it class and you can edit its font size, but now it is fine. And here is, let's give the style to this select, and here we have to write select. And here is, first of all, the margin on the top and the bottom side is 5 pixel, and then left and right side 0. And here is the height is 40 pixel, and here is the width is 100%. And then here is the padding is 10 pixel, and padding on the left side of the select. Here you see, I'm going to show you the effect. Here is the padding on the left side, and the margin on the top side and the bottom side, its width is become 100%, means it cover all the 33% total width. And here are the values, and then here is the font family. Font family is, you can give it any font family. Here I'm gonna give serif. So now this is not look good, this font is not look good. The default font family is good, Arial. This font is Arial, and this color is fine. This color is, I don't like this color, gray type. I'm gonna apply a white background color. Here you can see that. And then here I'm gonna give it font size. Font size is 16 pixel. And then here I'm gonna give the color to the text is gray type. Here 777, and here is the border is become none. And now let's execute it. So here is the border is no more present, and this is the outline when we click on it. And here I'm gonna apply the border, then it look good. So here it is, and you can also give it this background color. This is E9 background color, gray type, but I like this white background color, so that's why I have not give that color. And now we have to create this next widget. It contains the simple links. So now let's create it. Here is this. These are the simple anchor tags. These are not in the list items or in the UL. What we need to do, we just need to create the anchor tags separated by commas in the div. And here I'm gonna copy it, and here is this, paste it. And here we have to write, we have to remove this archive, the widget archive. And here is the tags, and here is remove this. And here is the anchor tag, and here is the hyperreference. Here is hash, and here is animals, and you can increase it, and you can change this text, but I'm not gonna change it. Here is this. So now you can change this text. And now in the next video, here we have to remove this map from the footer, because in this page there is no map. So here is in the footer, remove this div. Here is the div of the map. Let's remove it, and now here it is. Now the page is prepared. In the next video I'm gonna create this about .html page, we will create this paragraph image and this list. This is order list. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, kindly add the discussion in the course. I will help you as much as I can. See you in the next lecture.